Nandini Thamala and hello viewers. I'm here again with the 9th English, and today the poem which we are going to read it, that is in your term 2, that is summative assessment you can say, and the title of the poem is Palanki Bearer. Okay. And before we start explaining, before we go to the poem directly, we would like to know something, some important points about the poet. So who was the poet? Sarojini Naidu was the poet of this poem, The Palanki Bearer. Okay, she was born on February 13, 1879 into a Bengali Brahmin family in Hyderabad. She is popularly known as the Nightingale of India. Her father was a scientist and mother was a poet. She became first Indian woman who was elected as a president of Indian National Congress in 1925. She took active interest in freedom struggle and remained closely associated with the Gandhiji program in Satyagraha. And she was jailed on several occasions by the British. Her published poetic work includes The Golden Threshold 1905, The Bard of Time 1912, The Broken Wings 1917, and Selected Poems 1930, and The Feather of the Dawn, which is in 1961. Her poem depicts scene of Indian life. Okay, now this was about the poet. Now these are the words, difficult word you can say from the poem which is Palanki Bearer. Form is jhak, the small bubbles of water. Gaily, that is merrily, okay, that is happy. Glide means to move side to side, move gently you can say. Beam is a light, and brow, B-R-O-W, brow is a ray of light, okay, and scheme and glide is almost similar, move gently. And dew is a drop of water. We can see the dew early morning, okay, from the grass. And bear is to bardash karna. Pearl is you can say beads, moti, okay. And float is not to sink, to float on the surface of water. Okay, if something remain on the surface of water by not sinking, that is float. And string is you can say a thread. Okay, and stream is a canal from which water flows. Bride, a newly married girl, that is known as the bride, wife. Okay, hangs means to hang something. Okay, hang means not to touch with the ground. Okay, and dew I have repeated. Dew is the similar. Okay, and tide is the waves on the coast of water, on the oceans. On the side of coast we can see the tides. And this was again repeated. And this is a tear, T-E-A-R. Tear means a fluid which comes from our eyes when we are cry, when we are very happy. That time also the water flows from our eyes. That is known as the tears. And sway means a move from side to side. So these are the vocabulary from the Palanki Bearer poem. Now let's read the poem. Okay, dear student, now I'll give you a model reading of the poem, The Palanki Bearer. You listen carefully, okay, how the teacher is pronouncing. Lightly or lightly we bear her along. She sways like a flower in wind of our song. She skims like a bird on the foam of stream. She floats like a love from the lips of a dream. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. She splings like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. Lightly, oh lightly, we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. So vocabulary section, the difficult words I have explained you earlier. Now, lightly or lightly we bear her along. Lightly means not heavily. You know, the name of the title of the poem is the Palanki Bearer. Now, what is Palki? Okay, in ancient times, the bride, they used to carry, the bride in a palki. We are using this word palki in Hindi, जिसमें दुल्हन को ले जाते हैं. Bearer are the one who carries, the carrier of the palki. Okay, so that is why the title of the name is Palki Bearer. And lightly we bear her along. That means that palki is not heavy. Those who are carrying that palki, those are singing. Okay, lightly means not heavy. That bride is very light, and we bear her along means we are carrying the bride on that palki, and that's very light. She sways like a flower in wind of our song. Like they are singing. They are saying, and she is just like a flower in the winds of our song, right? And she skimmed like a bird on the form of stream. Skim, and like the bird on the form of a stream. Where there is a stream, where there is a pressure of water, there, we can see the small bubbles. And she skim means, the bird just skim, fly over the stream, and they take something like a fish or something, just take very fast. That is the sentence. Like she skims like a bird on the form of a stream. She floats like a love from the lips of a dream. When we are sleeping and someone feel very deep sleep, okay, and she is dreaming something, and on their lips they are giving a smile. Especially the small child is doing, okay, and the child who are of age few months, 2-3 months, when we see the baby is sleeping, we can see sometimes they are smiling. So that's the similar. She float like a love from the lips of a dream. Gaily, oh gaily, we glide and we sing. Gaily, oh gaily means happily. Okay? Happily, we are gliding. We are moving that palki very lightly, and we are singing along. Okay? We bear her along like a pearl on a string. Just like on a thread. We are sometimes, that pearl, we used to put on that string, and the string is not heavy. Just like a pearl on a string, they are carrying that bride very lightly, happily, right? Okay, now the second paragraph is, softly, oh softly, we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. Softly, oh softly means, the opposite of hard. Soft means very soft. Softly we bear her along. She hangs like a star in the dew of our song. Dew, do you know the dew that drops, in which the reflection of the star is, we can see the reflection, twinkling of the star we can see on the dew. Okay, she's just like a dew in our song, and she's spling like a beam on the brow of a tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. The bride is very sad also, because she was leaving her parents, and on the other hand, she was happy because she is going to join a new family. On that, that occasion is very auspicious, you can say, and that on that auspicious occasion, she is crying, and at the same time, she feels very happy also, right? And falling tears from the eyes. When we are very sad, tears fall down from our eyes. Okay, and lightly we glide and we sing. We bear her along like a pearl on a string. That is repeated. Okay, lightly we glide her and we sing. We are singing because the bride, the palki which we are carrying, that is very light. Okay, and we bear her along like a pearl on a string. That is the same, pearl on a string, same as comparing. So this was the poem of Palki Bearer. And this was the poem of Palki Bearer. And this poem is in your summative assessment second, that is in your final exams. So please read this poem again and again and try to understand the meaning, the concept of the poem. If you understand the concept of the poem, then you can answer for any difficult questions. Okay, so I have concluded the poems which is on the Palki Bearer. I hope you have understood the poem, and if you have any questions, any suggestion that will be really very valuable for me, please write to me on my number. Thank you, Julie.